How to fix Hulu app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check the server status. For that, open any of the browser, navigate to this web page. At the top right, you will find the search icon. Over there, type in Hulu and search for it. User reports indicate no current problems at Hulu. If you found the issue, you have to wait for a few minutes. After issue has been resolved, you can use this app. If there is no server issue, you can apply the solutions. Close this, open your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Hulu. After app appears, you will find the option of Open or Update. Click on the option of Update and update your Hulu app to its latest version. And then you can check whether your problem will be solved or not. Heading towards next solution, you have to clear the cache for the app. For that, you have to long press on the app. Now click on the option of App Info. At the bottom right corner, you will find the option of Clear Data. Click on it. Click on Clear Cache. Click on OK. Click on Clear All Data. Click on OK. Now you can check whether your problem will be solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, what you have to do is uninstall this app. For that, click on this option of uninstall given at the bottom middle. After you uninstall the app, open your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Hulu, and then install the app. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Hulu app not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.